If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No.
Now type your credentials. Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.